Hello and welcome to a REDCap topic session. Today's topic will be learning how to add a table to the field label using REDCap's built-in rich text editor. The minimum requirements are that you'll need project design and setup permissions, and to be on REDCap version 9.1.2 or higher. Optionally, you can use Notepad++ or the text edit program if you prefer editing and pasting a table source code from there. In this lesson, we'll show how to organize and display information into the table. If you want to learn more about piping, feel free to check out the link in the description below. Now that we're in a REDCap project, we can click the Designer or Online Designer to view our instruments. Click on the instrument. We're going to click Add Field. The table can be placed in any field type that uses a field label. For example, we're just using the descriptive text field. Toggle on the rich text editor to allow us to change the styling and create tables. Click the table icon to determine the column by row size. I'll be placing a table that is 2 by 7. Input any text into the tables. Feel free to explore the other possibilities such as altering the cell properties or the table properties. Give the variable name a meaningful, unique name and save changes. And that's all you need to build a basic table. Skipping ahead, let's see a table where we've added some additional styling. Clicking the source code icon will allow us to further fine-tune the background color and other styling options. If you're not sure how to style a table using HTML, please check out the link in the description below. For any questions, comments, or suggestions, feel free to send it our way at redcap@vcu.edu. Have a good one.